All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the higher end winner's choice. This is number 3. So we'll check the time November 1st at 4:51 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have November 1st at 4:51 p.m. There is the list of our 80 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Scotty. Spot number 7 is your winner. So, Scotty, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, November 1st, 4:52 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.